I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting and preparing the camera area. This sets the stage for every other fix. Gently wipe the lens with a microfiber cloth, then use 70% isopropyl on a corner if smudges persist. Once done, remove the case and any screen protectors that sit over the lens, because even tiny obstructions blur images. Restart the iPad and open camera to establish a baseline image so you know whether software or hardware is the likely cause. You now address software and settings, since they often cause poor quality. First, set resolution, HDR, and formats to higher options in settings so the sensor delivers maximum detail. Then check for and install any iPad OS updates. System fixes often improve image processing. If problems persist, reset camera-related settings or toggle preserve settings off and back on to clear misconfigurations. Make sure to test after each change so you can pinpoint which adjustment improved the image. You finish by isolating hardware faults and applying final remedies. Inspect the lens for chips, debris, or separation. Even light damage changes focus and contrast. Use a trusted third-party camera app to compare results. If both apps show the same artifact, it's likely hardware. If software fixes fail and damage is evident or image issues remain, back up your iPad and contact Apple or an authorized repair provider for camera module replacement. If repair isn't immediate, try gentle cleaning and avoid pressure on the lens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.